Clara was a turtle who dreamed of reaching the top of the mountain. All the animals laughed at her. "You are too slow. You will never make it," said the mocking rabbit. "Maybe I am slow, but I will not give up," Clara replied with determination. Every day, Clara climbed a little higher. While other fast animals started to climb with energy, they soon grew tired and gave up. It was hot, there were rocks in the way, and the wind blew hard. Clara continued step by step. When it rained, she took shelter and waited. When the sun burned, she rested in the shade. But she always kept moving forward. Weeks passed until one day, Clara reached the top. The view was beautiful. From above she saw the rabbit resting at the foot of the mountain. An eagle flying nearby landed beside her. "Clara, you have taught me that speed does not matter as much as consistency. Those who persevere always reach their goal." Clara smiled proudly. She had proven that with patience and effort dreams come true.